We're going to give it a few more minutes, guys, just to see who gets here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day, guys. Hope you are too. Also, guys, if you have any kind of coins whatsoever that you want to do some technical analysis on, please write it down on the chat box on whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'll be doing some technical analysis on whatever coins or assets you want to be looking at. So welcome everybody here on the live stream. We're going to have a great show. Anudrag, what's going on, Anudrag? Over on the YouTube, big shout out to you, my man. Will Bitcoin anymore today? I'm thinking that you're trying to say, will Bitcoin keep going up today? Bitcoin has a huge rally to the upside. It's wonderful to see, and we're going to probably see some even more price action to the upside, but I'm thinking that it's going to have a little bit of a pullback because nothing goes up forever, guys. There's always going to be some little bit of a pullback, but Bitcoin is having one hell of a rally to the upside. That's wonderful to see because if Bitcoin goes up, so does the entire market. So whatever coins that you're holding on to right now are probably making you some money. Make sure you take some profits on the way up. Chad Wildum over on the Twitch. How you doing, Chad? It's all good. A good big shout out to you, my man. You're saying over on the Twitch, put Bitcoin on the sell a couple hours ago, hoping for a decent bit of profit. Made money on the buy on it. I put on last night. That's wonderful to see, my man. Big shout out to you. Profits. That's all we're here about. Guys, make sure you hit that like and follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. We stream every single day over here on every single platform out there. So let's make it happen, Captain. I'm going to give it one more minute, guys. One more minute and we'll start the call. No, 3 more minutes and we'll start the call last. Bit of a good show today, guys. We're going to be talking about moving averages. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your charts the same way that I do so you can do your technical analysis the exact same way that I do. Big shout out to James over on the TikTok. Thank you for that subscribe and that follow, my man. It's all good. A good big shout out to you. To Mr. James Washington over on the TikTok. Hope you are having a fantastic day as I am. Let me get some water before we get in it. Guys, make sure you set up the charts the same way that I've taught you how. We're going to go in it. Manuel Olvera over on the TikTok saying, where can we get that? Where can we get that hat? I had this one custom made, my man. I went over to a store over here in Puerto Rico called Lids, and they can make custom made hats. So I just took them. I said, hey, I want these letters XRP, and then just made it. But best believe if XRP goes to $5, I'll be giving away these hats for everybody. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok, Manuel. Thank you very much. Big shout out to you, my man. One more minute, guys. One more minute and we'll start the class. Make sure you smash that like button for whatever platform you're looking on me at, guys. Share the wealth, share the value, share the information with everybody you know. We try to grow these channels as much as we can. Over on the TikTok, I do have a 10,000 subscriber goal, so if you guys can go ahead and do that, follow my channel. Trying to get to that 10K subscriber mark over on the TikTok. Much help if you can help me out with that. Especially smashing that like button, guys, as much as you can. The more you smash the like button, the higher XRP goes. Where's my music at? Let me put my music back on, guys. Let me put my music. Thank you, everybody, for smashing that like button. You guys are wonderful, guys. You guys are great. Big shout out to everybody here. One more minute, guys. A few more seconds and we'll start the class. Make sure you set up your charts the same way that I do. As you've seen in my previous charts and my previous classes, we're going to be taking that to a whole other level today. Today, I'm going to be talking about moving averages and how we're going to add that to the chart so that you know what direction markets are going to be going, possibly to the upside or the downside. We've already mastered how to do the Fibonacci, so now I'm going to add even one more piece of information for that, for your technical analysis, so stick around. Vulgar Beats over on the TikTok asking when moon soon soon, my man. Don't worry about that. It really don't matter. It doesn't matter when it's matter. All it matters is how much XRP you're holding on to. Do you have enough, guys? Do you have enough for that moon power to happen? Strap in, because we're going to make it happen sooner or later. Doesn't matter when. It matters how much. Big shout out for everybody smashing that like button over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. Trying to get to that 10K follower mark. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already. Guys, I like to start by technical analysis with Bitcoin, and I always start with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin first. Big shout out to Uncle Elroy over on the TikTok asking how much is enough XRP? All of it, bro. Buy as much XRP as you can. My target price for XRP is $5. That's where I'm going to take my first take profit is at $5. Do with that information as you may. I have no idea how much you can afford. It completely depends on you. 10K Bitcoin, that's a big hefty bag right there, 10K Bitcoin. Brian Sanders over on the TikTok asking, where can I buy XRP? I'm in the US. Brother, if you are in the US, there's two major exchanges that you can use to buy XRP. One regulated and one unregulated. If you value regulation, then you can go to uphold.com and get an uphold.com account. Regulation pretty much just allows you to use your bank account to buy XRP. So if you value regulation, completely up to you. You want to use a regulated exchange, use uphold.com. You can buy XRP directly with your bank account with cash. That's super big, my man. If you do not value regulation and you just don't want to use any regulated exchanges in the United States, you can go to KuCoin. KuCoin.com is a great platform. I've used them for years. I've never had a problem with them. And you can buy all the XRP that you want using your USD Tether. So those two choices are great for you to start stacking up on some XRP. Make sure that whatever exchange you use, never, ever leave any crypto on any exchange whatsoever. Get a cold wallet device, whatever cold wallet you want, whether a Ledger, an LEPAL, whatever cold wallet device you want, and make sure that you store all your crypto there and never, ever leave any crypto in any exchanges whatsoever. Because even with regulation, things can go sideways. Ask anybody in FTX. FTX was regulated in the United States and see what the hell happened to them. So yeah, my man, right here, uphold.com if you want regulation, and KuCoin.com if you don't care about regulation. Big shout out to you. Thank you, Brian, for that follow over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. All right, guys, back to the class. Guys, today we're going to be talking about moving averages. Every single day, whenever we do these classes, I'm always talking to you guys about that you have to identify the low, identify the high, put the pullback on the high to figure out whenever we have a low, whenever we have a high, whenever we have a pullback on the high, we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci. We already have covered this scenario every single day for the last month and a half. So we're going to take it to a whole other level. You now know how to identify the lows and the highs on the Fibonacci. But let's see if we can add one more piece of information so you guys know what momentum the price is going, when the price is going to pump, when the price is going to dump. Okay. Brian Sanders over on the TikTok saying, I got KuCoin. Awesome. Yeah, bro. Go ahead. Make sure that you send your USD Tether from whatever exchange you can get a USD Tether into KuCoin, and then you buy the XRP from there. Big shout out to Red over on the TikTok asking, where's the safest place to keep your crypto? I missed what you said. In my opinion, the EliPal cold wallet device, which is this what you're seeing on the screen right here. This little cold storage phone looking device right here is air gapped. It doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Wi-Fi, it doesn't have any way, shape, or form to get hacked whatsoever, other than having physical access to the device. It's pretty much bulletproof. I literally ran over this with my car just to test out their claims that it's indestructible. It's pretty indestructible, my man. For me, in my opinion, this is by far the safest way to store your crypto yourself, where you handle your own private keys. So if you have the means, if you have the money, it's about $170. They do have a cheaper version for $70, which does the exact same thing, but in a smaller package. Go ahead and head over to elipal.com. Or you can use one of my affiliate links over on my bio. You can find the EliPal link over there. And make sure you go over here where it says Titan, EliPal Titan. And this is the device that you want to get your hands on. It's actually cheaper now. It's $130. It used to be $170. So take advantage of that, my man. $130 for the Titan device. Or if you don't have $130 because it's too expensive, yeah, they have a cheaper version for $80 right here, which is the EliPal Mini. It's the exact same thing, does the exact same thing, only in a smaller package. So completely up to you, whatever you can afford. That's my opinion, and that's how I am storing my crypto, where I manage my own private keys. Big shout out to you, Red. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Bluefin over on the TikTok asking, how do I transfer my XRP from Uphold to my Tangem wallet? Well, you do have a Tangem wallet address for your XRP, correct? You take that wallet address and you paste it on Uphold whenever you hit the withdraw button. Make sure that the address that you're using to send XRP is the address provided from your Tangem wallet. Copy it from Tangem wallet, paste it over on Uphold when you withdraw the funds, and it'll do it automatically. Big shout out to Hoedown over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Big shout out with number 8 over on the TikTok. I saying Ledger is better, comes with a back door. No, fuck the Ledger. I have a Ledger device. Now let me tell you right now, Ledger used to be the shit back in the day before the whole backdoor fiasco. I was shilling Ledger devices every goddamn day, and I had at least 10 Ledger devices just lying around all over the house. Ever since the whole backdoor thing, I've gotten rid of all of my Ledger devices. I do not store on my Ledger device whatsoever. Everything has been transferred to an EliPal device with 0 backdoors. Remember, guys, the Ledger device can be hacked and your private keys can be taken out. It's sad. It's a sad day for everybody on Ledger. But hey, the best thing about these open source market is that we have options. We don't have to stick with Ledger. We can get an EliPal device, guys. Make sure that you get an EliPal device. Forget about Ledger. Fuck Ledger. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok, Big D. For the love over on the TikTok, I'm saying cheaper than my Ledger Nano X. Yes, that's the thing. That's the beautiful thing. Does the exact same thing, holds the exact same amount of coins for a cheaper option, and even stronger and pretty much bulletproof. Haven't tried it. I have never actually shot an EliPal device with a gun, but it's pretty much tamper-proof in every shape or form. You just cannot. It cannot be hacked. Doesn't have Bluetooth. Doesn't have Wi-Fi. Doesn't have NFC. It's just there's just no way to, other than having physical access to the device itself. But that's completely up to you. But yeah, guys, that is the tangent about where to store your crypto. Big shout out to I'm the G-Man over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, my man. Bluefin over on the TikTok saying that's funny because I have the Ledger Nano X and it's unopened. I don't trust it. Don't get rid of it. Sell it forward. I don't know. Do whatever you want to do, but I do not trust Ledger anymore. I only trust right now EliPal. And I haven't had a problem ever, 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 and I don't think I ever will. For the love of a big shout out to you over on the TikTok. I'm going to get one. Thanks for sharing. I'm here every day, my man. Every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. Whatever questions you guys have, crypto related, I am here to help. Thank you, everybody, for the likes over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. I will delete my comment over on TikTok saying I need XRP to crash. Me too. Best believe I want XRP to crash so I can get more XRP to the downside. Do I see that happening anytime soon? I do not see that happening anytime soon, but we're going to be looking at it today. Stick around, my man. I will leave my comment over on TikTok. I bought at 16 cents. I did too. I bought at 17 cents. My last purchase for XRP was at 17 cents back in when it got sued. I think it was December 2020. And I rode that sucker all the way up to $2, and I did not sell at $2, and I kept holding on to it. I sold a little bit at $2, but not all of it. All right, guys, so we have mastered how to do the Fibonacci levels. If you've never watched any of my live streams, I highly, highly suggest you head over to my YouTube channel. All of my live streams are being recorded in my YouTube channel, so you can rewatch anytime you guys want. And if you guys want to know how to do the Fibonacci levels, go right ahead and go over there if you haven't watched it just yet. But I'm going to be adding to you guys one more piece of information to take your trading to a whole other level. We're going to take it one step further, okay, guys? So we're going to go up here on your Trading View account, and we're going to go into the Indicators tab, and you're going to type in 3 moving averages. Okay? You're going to type in 3 moving averages, and you're going to look for the one that says Advent Trading. See over here on the screen, you can take a screenshot if you guys want. 3 moving averages, Advent Trading. And you're going to click on that and you're going to turn it on. And it's going to look something like this. You go to your settings tab and make sure that it looks exactly like I have it set up right here. The style, these are the colors that I use. Okay, these are the colors that I use. Make sure that they're super bold and super bright so that you can see them. Green, yellow, and red. And the inputs are 13, 21, and 55. Take a screenshot of this and set up your charts the exact same way that I do so that you are going to learn how to use moving averages to know what direction the market is going to be likely headed to. We know how to take out bottoms. We know how to take out tops because we use the Fibonacci, but we're now going to have market clarity to know what direction it's going to go. I will delete my comment over on TikTok saying, I tell you this, Bluefin, I've sold everything I own. I pretty much to buy XRP. So did I, bro. My 100% of my portfolio is on XRP. Not telling you to do that. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's completely stupid to do, but I'm an idiot and you shouldn't be listening to me anyway. I do have 100% of my portfolio on XRP, and I'm going to be holding on to that XRP for the foreseeable future. It doesn't matter. Even if we win the case and it goes to $100, best believe that I'm going to hold on to some XRP for a long, long, long time. Of course, I'm going to be taking my profits on the way up. That's a smart thing to do. But I'm going to be holding on to XRP for a long, long time down the line, my man. XRP to the moon. Guys, looking on the screen right now, let me get rid of the Fibonacci because we don't need the Fibonacci anymore. You see these 3 lines right here in green, red, and yellow. Okay. Now, the second indicator that we're going to be adding to the charts is called the EMA. EMA. Okay, just type in EMA, and it's the first one that pops out, which is the moving average exponential. You click on that and you turn it on. You go to the settings tab and make sure that the style is the same color that I'm using here, which is a blue color, and it's completely bolded out. And the inputs, where it says length, make sure that it says 8. Okay, take a screenshot of this if you have to, but set up the charts the same way that I am looking on over here. So now we have 4 lines drawn on the screen right now, and I'm going to be showing you how to read those 4 lines so you know what direction the market is going to go. Now, keep in mind, guys, that every indicator out there is not written in stone. They're not fortune tellers. They're not going to be 100% accurate. No indicator is. You're going to take losses on the way while you learn how to use the indicators and money flow and trend and all those things. So always take with a grain of salt every single indicator that I give you and every single indicator out there, because none of them are written in stone. They can get it wrong. Okay. So the one that you're looking on the screen right now is called a moving average. What is a moving average? Well, it pretty much tells you what direction in a line the price is probably going, whether up or whether down. Okay. Now, the only thing you need to know how to do with the moving average right here, you need to identify two lines, the red line and the yellow line. Whenever the red line, you see this red line down here, crosses the yellow line from the bottom. You see how it crosses the yellow line right here through the bottom? Prices will tend to go to the upside. So that was your signal way back here when this red line crossed the yellow, that the price of Bitcoin was going to go to the upside. That was your entry point right there, using just the moving average. And the same thing the other way around. Whenever the red line crosses the yellow to the upside, prices tend to go down. So that was your shorting opportunity right there. You see what I mean? That's how you use moving averages to add to your technical analysis. So today's technical analysis is going to take those two things into consideration, the Fibonacci and the moving average, okay? So how do we do that? How do we use that information to make our trades wonderful, like the ones that I'm doing over here, over on my XRP trades? You can see them right here. All of my trades are in the positive. About 38%, 16%, 97%, and 53% on everything on XRP to the upside. So let's draw out our Fibonacci. We always start with the Fibonacci. Diamond over on the TikTok asking how much XRP is life changing. 1 million XRP, my man. 1 million XRP will definitely change your life. It'll change everybody's life around you for net XRP, which is $40 to $50. If you have 1 million XRP, that's $50 million. For me, $50 million is definitely life-changing, life-altering. Completely. $50 million is more than enough for me. Shit, $1 million is more than enough for me. But target price for XRP, $40. You hold 1 million XRP, that's $40 million. But I'm holding 1 million XRP, we're talking about $500,000. Not many people have $500,000 to put in on a coin. So really, it really all depends on how much you can afford, my man. You don't really think about it on terms of bag size. It's how much you can afford. Okay, 1,000 XRP, 10,000 XRP, 30,000 XRP. It's completely up to you, my man. Just think, $5 XRP. Can that be life changing to you? $5 XRP? Then yeah. Red over on the TikTok asking, do you stake XRP? No, I hold 100% of my XRP on my EliPal device. I do not take it out into any platform whatsoever. Everything is being held on my cold storage devices. I don't put my XRP on any exchange, on any platform, nothing, nada. Not a single XRP, okay? Rui over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, my man. Danger Dane over on the TikTok asking, where are you buying if you're out of the USA? If you're outside of the USA, KuCoin. KuCoin.com, my man. 100% KuCoin.com. Since it's not regulated in the United States, you can't use your credit card. You can't use your bank account. But if you're outside of the United States, then you can use a 100% verified KuCoin account. So open up a KuCoin account, get verified in there with their process, link your bank account, and buy it directly from KuCoin. KuCoin.com, my man. Roy over on the TikTok. What's a good cold storage device right here? EliPal, my man. EliPal.com. Go to EliPal.com and get a Titan device. Best one out there. You're not going to regret. Danger Dane asking inside the USA. Oh, if you're inside the USA and you want it regulated, then uphold.com. If you go to uphold.com, there, you can link your bank account directly with the app and buy with cash. And it's immediately available for you on the app. So yeah, if you're in the States, Uphold. If you're outside the States, KuCoin. If you're in the States, you can use KuCoin also. But you can't get verified in KuCoin. If that is something that you value, then use Uphold. Unregulated KuCoin. L, big shout out to you over on the TikTok. What about unregulated? Unregulated, KuCoin.com. No KYC necessary. I will delete my comment over saying over on the TikTok, most people don't have 1 million XRP though. Realistically, 10,000 in XRP. Of course, that's what I mean. Not a whole lot of people have $500,000 to put in on a cryptocurrency. Just for the heck of it. Okay? But 10,000 XRP, 10,000 XRP at $5,000 investment, 10,000 XRP times $5, that's $50,000. $50,000 is a big chunk of money right there, my man. Danger Dane over on the TikTok asking, what do you suggest, regulated or non-regulated? It's exactly the same thing. Just make sure that wherever it is that you buy it, you do not leave it in that exchange. You put everything on your LE-PAL device. Doesn't matter where you buy it, whether regulated or unregulated. It's the same XRP. Okay? Just put it in your LE-PAL device once you get it. Big shout out to Love Thy Neighbor. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. Okay, guys. So looking on some Bitcoin right now. Let's do some technical analysis. We got a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci retracement tool. What is the Fibonacci retracement tool telling me right now? That it found support within the golden zone. That is rule number one. Did the asset find support within the golden zone? Yes, it did. So if rule number two, did it break the 382? Yes, it did. It broke the 382. So if it breaks the 382 and it closes above it, then it's telling me that we're going to have a high probability that we're going to get a $37,000 Bitcoin coming right around the corner, guys. 37,097. That is your first take profit if you guys went in on the golden zone. 37,000, and the second one being on the top of 41,000. Wow. Guys, Bitcoin is going to go on a major run to the upside. That is wonderful to see, because the beauty of this is that if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin is king. So whatever Bitcoin does, so does the rest of the market, guys. Bitcoin having one hell of a run up to the upside. It's supported by the moving average. It's supported by the golden zone. It's supported by the Fibonacci. 37K Bitcoin coming right around the corner, guys. Are you stacking up on your bags on Bitcoin? Hope you are, guys. Hope you are, because Bitcoin absolutely strapped in for a major run to the upside. That's wonderful to see. I know that it's also backed by all the news in the market right now. We have great news on the market right now saying that Bitcoin is going to the moon because of BlackRock, and BlackRock is coming in. BlackRock has what, like $8 trillion to trade on cryptocurrency. Not saying that they're going to put $8 trillion, but they have under management assets up to $8 trillion. They have all the money in the world, basically. Guys, BlackRock is a big deal. Listen to the news. Listen to what they're doing. ETFs doesn't necessarily mean a good thing on the market either. ETFs, always remember that, guy. ETFs is just a promise of payment. It's just a contract. It's a piece of paper. It's not actual Bitcoin. But the notion alone that BlackRock is interested in cryptocurrency, $8 trillion under management, $8 trillion. Can you imagine $8 trillion into crypto? Not saying that they're going to do that. Of course, they're not going to put 100% of their portfolio in cryptocurrency. But their eyes are on cryptocurrency. You understand? So that's going to drive interest. That's going to drive money flow. And since we all know that supply is fixed at 21 million on Bitcoin, What is driving the market? It's always going to be money, demand. BlackRock is demand, big demand. So big prices to the upside, guys. Pay attention, strap in, get some Bitcoin bags. We're going to the moon. Big shout out to Sonny Var over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, my man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you. XRP, I'm happy I found you. Man, I'm happy you're here. Thank you for the support. Thank you for that follow. I'm here every day, 5 p.m. Eastern, guys. Make sure you follow. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. XRP is the new Bitcoin. Man, you are 100% correct, man. There is not a truer fact out there than XRP being the new Bitcoin. Can you imagine XRP at the same price as Bitcoin? Whole other level, guys. Whole other level. Let me get some water. I get too excited and I lose my voice. I get too excited. So yeah, guys, Bitcoin target price 37,000 on this run to the upside. We're probably going to have a little bit of a mini pullback right now, today and tomorrow. Maybe, who knows? Maybe the price will keep going to the upside. But target price 37,000 on this run to the upside, guys. 37,000. That is your take profit on Bitcoin. And remember that if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up with it. Talking about going to the upside, Ethereum. Can we identify a low? Can we identify a high? Can we identify a pullback on the high? Yes. Yes, we can. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci retracement. And you can draw the Fibonacci retracement. And look at here, guys. It found the support on exactly my target price at 1,627. Hope you took advantage of that on the previous live streams. If you haven't, then make sure that you hit that like button and you subscribe and you follow me on whatever platform you're looking on me at, because this trade right here absolutely killed it. And I gave you guys this trade weeks ago. So I found the support on 1,600. It broke the 382. Now all we need to do is to close above the 382. If we close above the 382, we see a candle like this one on top of the 382, then rest assured, guys, that Ethereum is going to 2,500 per Ethereum, 2,547, which makes sense because if Bitcoin is going to 37, Ethereum is right there with it. Bitcoin is king, Ethereum is queen. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does Ethereum. Ethereum is just right there with it. So we're pumping on Bitcoin, we're going to pump on Ethereum. And if Bitcoin is going to 37, Ethereum is going to 2,547. Okay, so make sure that you take your profits on exactly those two zones, 2,547 and 2,831. Those are your two take profit zones over on Ethereum. Pay attention, guys. Take a screenshot. Do whatever you got to do. Stack up on some Ethereum bags because it's going to happen. It's right there on the charts, guys. Pay attention. Big shout out to Gav's dad. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Hillary Young. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Javier, thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you and Oscar, you too, my man. You guys are amazing. Gav, thank you for that like over on the TikTok. You guys are awesome, man. My TikTok is absolutely booming, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your time. Hope I'm not, that you don't regret spending that an hour of power with me, my man. Take a screenshot of this, guys. This is my target price for Ethereum, 2,547, 2,831. Hope you got in at 1,627 when I told you to. You're probably enjoying some very nice profits to the upside right now. Hold on for dear life because we're going to go to 2,547. Danger Dane over on the TikTok. Actually, what do you mean take profit? Well, if you're in a trade, whenever I tell you to go in on a trade and you took advantage of my entry prices, then I'm going to also tell you when to get out on the trades. Always remember that this sucker can flip around at any time. Yeah, I can give you the best entry prices, but that motherfucker can break to the downside immediately. If you don't believe me, ask Cardano. Cardano, a few days ago, I went on a long and it immediately stopped me because of the whole lawsuit from the SEC that I never saw coming. The charts were telling me that it was going to go in for a long. Boy, was I wrong. So you always need to make sure that you put your entry prices and you put your take profits also, so that you take your profits on the way up. Nothing goes up forever. There is going to be pullbacks. You want to enjoy your profits on the way up. So I give you the entry prices and I give you the exit prices also. Okay. Big shout out to Crypto T over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Cutler, thank you for that follow to you, my man. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the follows today, my man. You guys are crazy. We're probably going to get to that 10K follower mark coming real soon and real quick, my man. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love and thank you for the support. I'll be here every day, 5 p.m. Eastern, guys. Javier Arreola asking over on the TikTok, what time frame you have on your chart? I always start my technical analysis on the daily chart. The daily chart gives me momentum. It tells me what price trend the price is going for. If I see green candles, it's to the upside. If I see red candles, it's to the downside. So I do my technical analysis based on where the market is going. So I always start with the daily chart, and then when I go in on a trade, I go into smaller time frames like the 15-minute, the 30-minute, or the 15 minutes. But I always start with the daily chart. The daily chart is telling me, hey, Ethereum is pumping like crazy. So what am I going to do with that information? I'm going to go in on a long. I'm going to always trade with the trend. Trend is your friend until the end, and we always try to figure out what those entry prices and exit prices are. John Sheridan, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. Crypto Kyle asking, where is XRP going? Let's go to XRP right now. You guys want to talk about XRP, and I'm going to definitely talk about my beautiful baby girl XRP. As you all know, I'm definitely skewed for XRP. Hold a shit ton of XRP. XRP army is strong. We're going to the moon, guys. Guys, do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, so we have a shark fin formation. But guess what, guys? We also have another one right here. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. Another shark fin formation. So we're going to start with the one closest to the current price. So we have a shark fin formation that translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Look at that, guys. So if we're only talking about the Fibonacci, it found the support within the golden zone. This golden zone right here, which is the 618 on the Fibonacci, is the highest demand zone for whatever asset you're doing your technical analysis. So if you're going to go in on any asset whatsoever, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stocks, Forex, whatever, try to catch it at the 618. Whenever we get those pull downs to the downside, catch it at the 618. Okay, that is your best entry price. Rule number one, does the asset find support within the 618? Yes, XRP found the support in the 618. It bounced exactly from there. Rule number two, did it close above the 382? What is the 382? This white line that I have drawn right here. Is it trading above that line right now? No, it's not yet. Okay, so I can't tell you with absolute certainty that this is going to keep going to the upside just yet. Okay, we're waiting. We're patiently waiting. We're looking at the markets. We're babysitting the trade. Let's see how it goes. If it closes above the 382, that's rule number two. Closes above the 382, we have a high probability that it is going to reach the negative side of the 382. We could potentially see a 64-cent XRP coming real soon. Makes sense because Bitcoin is going to 37, Ethereum is going to 2,500, XRP is right around the corner at 64 cents. So if you have a trade that you went in on 46 cents, like the one that I have here, I went in on this one at 46 cents, which was what? This Fibonacci right here, this Fibonacci level. And see how that trade is doing right now? That trade is going up 36%. I'm making 36% on that trade, but I'm going to be holding on to that trade all the way up to 64 cents. Okay. Actually, I have it at 70 cents. Here's my take profit over here. It's at 70 cents, which is the higher zone over here. I mean, I know that XRP is going to $5, $50, $100. Doesn't matter. I'm going to take my profits on the way up on this trade because nothing goes up forever, guys. There's going to be pullbacks. So on the way up, we take our profits and then we wait for the pullback. We come back in. Then on the way up, we take some profits. Then we go to, and so on and so forward and so on. But it has to follow the rules on the Fibonacci. Did it find support on the 618? Did it break the 382? Yeah. Then we're taking our profits on the negative 382. Those are the three rules on the Fibonacci. So right now, what am I looking at? If Bitcoin is pumping, XRP is going to definitely pump with it. And we all know that the settlement's coming real soon. It's going to happen, guys. And if you don't see it, if you just cannot see it in your brain, the excitement, the demand, the absolute bozonkers mode of XRP and what it's going to do after we get that settlement. If you can't see it, my man, then you're in the wrong channel. I don't know what else to tell you. Guys, demand drives prices to the upside. And if we win the lawsuit, what more excuse do you need for demand on an asset? Immediately. It's going to be immediately. Are you strapped in? Do you have your bags filled? I do. I sure as hell do. Make sure that when you buy XRP, you put it on your LEPAL device. Guys, never leave any XRP on any exchange whatsoever. Don't let them control the XRP. You control your own XRP. Put it on a LEPAL device. Derek over on the TikTok, big shout out to you. Time frame for the verdict. I have no idea, my man. I don't know. I'm not an insider. I don't have anybody on the inside. Whenever the hell the judge just tells, whenever she gets tired of reading paperwork. I don't know. I bought my XRP at 17 cents and I've been holding on to it forever since. Actually, my first XRP purchase was less than a cent back in 2013 or 14 or 15. I don't remember. So I've been holding on to XRP ever since it was less than a cent. Rode it all the way up to $3, took some profits, went back down to 17 cents, and I bought some more. Went up to $2 and I did not take profits. Went back down to 25 cents. And I have been buying XRP ever since. Every single dip I buy XRP. Every single dip I buy XRP. But yeah, my man Derek, I don't have a time frame, my man. I don't think anybody does. But rest assured that I'll be right here streaming every goddamn day at 5 p.m. We're going to go in it together, guys. We're in this together. XRP Army, we are many. We are strong, man. We're going to the moon. Just make sure you stack up with some bags, my man. Doesn't matter. The time frame doesn't really matter. Just stack up with some bags. Whatever you can afford. Whatever it is. And whenever you do buy it, make sure you put it on your LEPAL device so you do not lose your XRP. Guys, XRP looking quite nicely and saucy to the upside, guys. XRP to the moon. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Make sure that every time you smash that like button, XRP goes even higher. If you want XRP to go to $5, smash the like button for whatever platform you're looking on me at. Remember, guys, I'm streaming on every single platform out there. So if you want better quality than TikTok, make sure you head over to my YouTube, my Twitch, my Kick, whatever platform you guys want. Link on the bio of whatever platform you're looking on me at. Whatever you like. Whatever, it's completely there. It's completely there for you and completely free, guys. And that, guys, is my target price for some XRP action. Take your profits at 64 cents and 69 cents. So for me, it's pretty much 70 cents. Okay. So right around the corner, 64 cents, 70 cents, guys. It's happening. It's coming real soon. Moving on to some Litecoin action. What is Litecoin doing right now? So Litecoin kind of looking saucy to the downside, actually. We have a cross of the red and the yellow line over to the upside. That kind of has a signal to some downward action. But since Bitcoin is pumping, Litecoin is going to pump with it. So this is pretty much going in the momentum of Bitcoin. So I don't know if it's actually going to keep going to the upside on Litecoin. That doesn't quite convince me that much. Anyway, do we have a low? Do we have a high? And do we have a pullback on the high? Yes. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci. There is your Fibonacci levels. Found the support right here on the 0.5. Broke out of the 382. So if it closes above the 382, we're probably going to get a $143 Litecoin coming real soon. Stack up on your bags on Litecoin, guys. Completely up to you. I don't personally trade Litecoin. 100% of my portfolio is on XRP, but you shouldn't be doing that either anyways. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Litecoin, guys. Litecoin also looking kind of saucy to the upside. Big shout out to Pep over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, my man. Big shout out to you. Javier Arreola over on the TikTok asks, do you use the -681 for second profit zone? Yes. So personally, this is my personal trading style. I take my profits 50% on the -382 and the other 50% on the -618. The exact same way that I buy on 50% on the 382 and I buy the other 50% on the 618. So I buy at the 382 and 618 and I sell on the -382 and -618. Not all the time, not exactly every single time I trade. Most likely I will go for the 618 and I sell on the -382. Most of the times. But lately I've been taking my profits on the 382 and the 618. It's been quite saucy to the upside, guys. I believe that we met the bottom all the way down to 15,000. My bottom was 14,000. We didn't get all the way down to 14,000, but we sure as hell appreciated that 15K bounce, and we're now enjoying the profits all the way up to 30K per Bitcoin. Where is everybody who said that Bitcoin was going to zero? I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, my man, I am doing my best to buy at the 618 and taking my profits on the -382 and the -618. AWOL over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, my man. Joe Anthony, big shout out to you over on the TikTok. How you feel on XLM and XDC? Let's talk about XLM right now. All right, so let me zoom this out. Let me get rid of all these lines so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. I do technical analysis every day, guys. So XLM, what is happening with XLM right now? Having a nice little bouncy bounce. Let me zoom in on the daily chart over here. So XLM having a nice bouncy bounce on the 2 line. Right here, we have a double bottom formation. This triangular formation right here, this is called a double bottom. These double bottoms are mega bullish. Okay, whenever we get this double bottom, expect a bounce to the upside. Okay, so this is the bounce to the upside because of these double bottom scenario playing out right here. But I believe we still have room to keep going to the upside because we have a cross. We have a cross. This was your shorting signal, by the way. If you guys are shorting the market, wait for the red line to cross over the yellow line to the upside. Prices will tend to go to the downside. So when am I going to be bullish on XLM? Bullish on XLM is when the yellow line crosses the red line to the upside. If the yellow line crosses the red line to the upside, I am bullish again. Bullish again on XLM. Okay. So I believe that we still got a long ways to go on XLM. I don't know. I'm more comfortable with Bitcoin and XRP right now. If you're asking me today if I'm going to trade anything today, I would stick with Bitcoin and XRP and Ethereum because XLM still has room to go. It still has a long ways to go for me to be bullish on XLM. Okay? So keep that in mind when you're going to do your trades on XLM. Still needs to go a little bit higher. Still needs to close above that 10-cent mark. XDC, yeah, we'll talk about XDC, guys. Stack up on all the X coins. XDC. All right, this is from the previous live stream, guys. What did I tell you to do, guys? I told you guys to stack up on some XDC whenever we get that bounce over on the Fibonacci levels. My entry price to get in on some XDC is right here. Take a screenshot of that, guys. 2 cents, 2781. This is my entry price to get in on some XDC. Okay. If it goes to 2 cents, I'm stacking up on some XDC. Okay. No mercy. Cobra Kai getting some XDC at 2781. Okay. Take a screenshot of that. That's how I'm going to be playing it out. UG over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. UG, you're asking at the 10K mark with XRP just going to hold. Brother, 10K XRP. You the man. You the man. Hold on to some XRP. Got 10K XRP. That's huge. Brother, we're talking about my take profit on XRP is $5. 10,000 XRP times $5, $50,000, bro. $50,000 is a lot of money. At least for me. For me, it's a lot of money. I could pay off all my debts with $50,000. Pay off my house. So many things I can do with $50,000. Yeah. Just saying. Don't belittle your bags, bro. 10,000 XRP is a lot of money. And if we actually do reach that $50 mark, $50 mark, bro, what don't you? $50, 10,000 X, that's $500,000. Joe, my man Joe over on the YouTube. Big shout out to you, Joe. Without Joe, there is no show. Joe asking over on the YouTube, is someone in here have any XRP? Does anybody here hold any XRP? Joe is asking. I hear XRP is going to the moon. Brother, we're time travelers over here. We're fortune tellers. We know. We just know that this sucker is going to go to the moon. Strap on, guys. Strap on some XRP. Put your seatbelts on. We're going to the moon. Dad Chef, big shout out to you, Dad, over on the TikTok. $50? No way, bro. Why not? Why can't we dream at $50? It helps me live, you know? It helps me, I don't know. It motivates me. Check this out, guys. Why do I say $50 XRP? Remember when I told you guys that we always follow the Fibonacci, right? Let me get rid of all these lines so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. Why do I say that first? Why do I say $5 XRP? Why do I say $5 XRP? Okay. We have a low, we have a high. Okay. And we have a pullback on the high, correct? What is that? That is a shark fin formation. We're looking on the daily chart. We zoomed out all the way. So that Fibonacci hasn't played out yet. Let's draw out the Fibonacci right there. And look at that, guys. We're doing the exact same rules, the exact same thing that we've been doing till today. In this scenario, look at that. It found support within the 618. Okay? It found support within the 618. That is step number 1 using the Fibonacci. Step number 2, did it close above the 382? It hasn't closed above the 382 just yet. We're talking about 67 cent XRP. When we close above that 67 cent XRP, my man, $5 XRP is right around the corner. Because right when it closes above 67 cents, what's the next target price? The negative 382. And what price is the negative 382 right now? $5.91. So guys, remember, everything is baked into the charts, guys. That Fibonacci retracement hasn't played out yet. It's playing out right now. Okay, remember that the price of XRP has been suppressed because of the SEC lawsuit. It hasn't played out just yet. So it's right there. It's baked into the charts. Okay, $5.91. I'm taking my profits at $5. Okay, I have one selling price at $5.91. And then the next leg up, which is the negative 618, is at $11.59. So if you're a betting man and you want to do the right thing, put 50% of your portfolio selling at $5.91 and the other 50% at $11. And always remember that nothing goes up forever. There's going to be pullbacks. So you come back in whenever it pulls back down. It's not going to be a straight line to $11. It's going to be little mountains and waves to the upside. I mean, XRP has surprised me before. It went from 0.006 cents to almost $4 in a matter of 2 years. XRP is just a whole other level. So guys, that's why I say $5 XRP. But there's a $50 XRP that hasn't played out just yet either. Let's look at it on the screen right now. Do we have a low? Yes, we do. Do we have a high? Yes, we do. Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. That is a major shark fin formation. And that also translates to what? The Fibonacci levels. Look at that, guys. Did it find support within the golden zone? Yes, it did. Did it break the 382? Yes, it did. So we got two rules playing out. That means that there is a high probability that we're going to get what? The negative 382. And where is the negative 382? On the macro point of view, $48. And $247. Not saying that it's going to get to $48 or $247, but since everything is baked into the charts and I have no other choice than to just identify the patterns and follow the rules, there's the rules right there. On the macro point of view, the Fibonacci is telling me that the negative 382 is at $48 and $247. So pretty much anything within that zone right there. Are we ever going to get to those numbers? I have no clue whatsoever. But if we do, I'm locked and loaded. I bought XRP when it was 17 cents. If it goes up to $247, you're never going to see me again. That's for sure. Okay? So guys, I have no other choice than to listen to the math, listen to the algorithm, listen to the Fibonacci. I have no other choice. I don't have a time machine. Okay? That, guys, is why I say that XRP could go to $50 someday. I don't know when, but someday. Big shout out to El Bebo21 over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, my man. Chad saying you have a confirmation bias. Absolutely, 100%. I follow the trend. I follow the algorithm. I follow the Fibonacci. I am a Fibonaccier. If that's a word, I don't know. I just made that up. But yes, I listen to the confirmations 100%. And I follow momentum. I trade with the trend. And I take my profits on exactly the Fibonacci levels. Dad Chef over on the TikTok saying this would be the longest swing trade in history. Brother, this would be world record swing trade. If it plays this out, I got my bag under 1 cent unit. Brother, so did I. I bought XRP when it was 0.006 cents. 0.006. I caught that bottom, and buying XRP back then was nearly impossible. Shit, buying Bitcoin was hard as shit. I remember when Bitcoin was just a rumor within forums. When we were talking, I was playing that game Second Life. You remember that game back in 2009, 2010? It was Second Life, and we heard about it in Second Life that we could use it to trade within the game, but it had no value whatsoever. So that's the first time I heard about Bitcoin. If I knew that sucker was going to go to $70,000, my man, I would have been giving the stream right there on my yacht right now, but I didn't know. Nobody knew. So I bought XRP whenever the whole rumors and everything was saying that, hey, crypto's going to the moon, crypto's going to the moon. So I started stacking up on some Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP without giving it a second thought whatsoever. But when that sucker went from 0.006 to $3, almost $4, I took profits at $3. And then it came back down to 17 cents and I bought back in, and I've been holding on to that for a long ass time. So yeah, XRP has definitely changed my life, and I'm definitely skewed to XRP, guys. And there's nothing anybody in this world can tell me otherwise. That chef over on the TikTok. My bad. I thought you said you got it at 17 cents. I got it. Yeah. My first purchase was at 0.006 cents. Back here. It was this time zone right here. It was ridiculous, guys. That was just ridiculous. And then he went up all the way up to $3, and I lost my mind. It was. I'm just waiting for that same scenario to play out again. But it's not going to be $3, guys. It's going to be $5, and then $50, and then $200, and then so on and so forth. You'll see. Just got to stick around, guys. You just got to stick around. Ah. It is what it is, guys. Man, I got to go. I don't want to go. Damn it. Well, guys, that's all the time I have for you today, guys. Hope you had a whole lot of fun. Remember to hit that like button if you haven't already. Smash that follow from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Right now, I'm going to go head up to the gym. I'm going to go get something to eat. I'm starving. It is what it is. I got some company coming over to the house, too. Guys, XRP going to $50. Get that six-pack also. I'm hitting the gym. It is what it is. I'm going to be rich with a six-pack. Why not? Let's get it. Amadeus over on the Kick. Big shout out to you. How you doing, my man? Guys, remember I also have a Kick channel. Trying out that Kick channel fiasco. See if that actually grows. I have a Twitch. I have a Facebook account. I have a YouTube account. You can watch me anywhere. There's no excuse not to get the news, my man. No excuse. I stream every day, 5 p.m. Eastern. Well, I try to stream every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. Anyway, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I'm going to go hit the gym. I'm going to get something to eat, and then I'm going to keep trading these trades, guys. Oh, before I go, make sure you take a screenshot. These are my open trades right now on XRP. Take a screenshot of this so you know when I'm going to go in on trades whenever we have a pullback to the downside. If we actually get a pullback to the downside. Right now, my open trades are doing fantastic over on XRP, guys. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I had a lot of fun. Hope you did too. We'll see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Had a whole lot of fun. Hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. I say it a million times, 5 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for stopping by, guys. God bless. Take care and have a good one.